What's up, everybody? Thank you for clicking in. Thank you for looking at my brand new pimple like a teenager. 42 years old. Got my teenager pimple popping off, and I will when I get home. So let's not focus on my third eye. Let's just focus on me right now, what we're working on today. 2013 Dodge Avenger, but this is a 3.6 liter motor, which was in the Chrysler vans and the 300s and all kind of different Chrysler vehicles, even in some of your Dodge Chargers. All right. This thing has a water leak, and I'm going to show you how you can tell if it's the water pump leaking, and I'm going to tell you exactly how you need to change this thing, and we're going to make it fast, and you can go back to work and have an awesome day. So here we go. Pumped up with very minimal pressure. You see that drip? Yes, sir. That drip. Now, and what it's going to look like is you're going to think it's the hose, but hose be trifling. Let's see if I can get a good shot of this. You see it dripping down? What it's actually doing is carefully looking above it. I had a little water drip whenever I was filling it up, and I had to hit the bleeder. But it's leaking out from behind this pulley. It's going to drip down on that housing, and it's going to drip off of the hose like you see right there. All right, here we go. We're going to change this water pump. I'm going to take it all apart and show you what I did to do it so you don't have to watch a 3-hour-long video of somebody messing around. Okay, here we go. So moving right along, I put up my little floor jack, and you can do this at home with a bottle jack or your screw jack that's in the trunk, just a block of wood, and make sure the vehicle is suspended very well. And that's underneath the oil pan, and the block of wood keeps the oil pan from being crushed in. And I went ahead and removed the lower hose to let the coolant out while it's dripping and draining, so I can work the top. And I removed the mount that's at the top right here, this little bracket that goes across here. There's a flat bracket right here. I took it off, and then I removed this other little rubber part of the mount just so I can gain better access to some of the bolts that are up underneath around this little area. And then this water pump's going to come out from the bottom, and to give you enough room to do so, you're going to have to bust out the DeWalt electric impact, and you're going to have to take the harmonic balancer off, which it just slips off. There's a keyway holding the timing in place. You don't have to worry about that slipping or anything. And then we'll just remove the rest of the bolts that go around the circumference, which some of them are a little weird to get to. I don't think, so we're going to, like I say, some of these, I remember removing the AC compressor, but I don't have to do it on this one. But we'll take the circumference bolts out around the circumference, if I can talk right. And then this water pump will come out the bottom, and I'll show you here in just a second. All right, if my calculations is correct, we're going to just kind of ease this. Oh, there it goes. Start this. Oh, yes. All right. So, now, just a reverse procedure. Reinstall. Tighten up that harmonic balancer really good and tight. The old DeWalt Impact electric thing. I used my Pneumatic one to do it, but we'll tighten that up real good when we put that back on. I'll put a new belt back in place, all that there and all. And then there's one other thing I want to show you. When you fill this thing back up with coolant, you're going to release this little bleeder screw right here, and that till you see, fluid come out. And then that way you've got most of your air pocket worked out, and this thing will circulate water properly. Then you'll call it a day. Thank you for clicking in. I hope this video is informative to all you wonderful fine folks out there. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'm out.